Sinong Anatnego. Titans, any representative from Titans. Please be here.
Please prepare for an exhibition match. Roman Sumabong, Red Armor versus Maritime D. Claret Blue Armor. Please prepare. Nicole versus Jane Gigi. Blue Armor versus Virancho Charis Sicilians. Please proceed to the court right now.
Pipito Kiana, nakaklaim na rin dito ay medal. Kiyurugi, female junior novice. Bankil King Nicole. Apte, Cool. Pipito Kiana D. Silver, Gypsians.
Paging referee here at court lane.
Candia Trishabel, Titans, Bronze. Rosario Ashley Ann Anbu, Bronze. Please claim your medal. Bankil King Nicole of Apte, any representative from Apte. Candia Trishabel of Titans, any representative from Titans. Rosario Ashley Ann Anbu, any representative from Anbu.
For finals, Red Armor Richie Alberio of Titans versus Blue Armor Luis Mark Manimion of Z-Force. Proceed to court 1. For finals, Red Armor Richie Alberio of Titans versus Blue Armor Luis Mark Manimion of Z-Force. Proceed to court 1. Another for finals, Red Armor Andrew Mataytay of Sicilians versus Blue Armor Christopher Cortel of Jaguars. For finals, Andrew Mataytay of Sicilians for Red Armor versus Blue Armor Christopher Cortel Jaguars. Proceed to court 1. Finals.
Female cadet novice. Blue Armor. Nicole versus Jane Gigi versus Virancho Sarisa Sicilians. Red Armor. Please proceed to the court right now. Yuruge, female cadet novice. Feather, Blue Armor. Masong Pei Jane Anbu versus Red Armor. Kadundon Jane Ivy. Gigi. Please proceed to the court right now.
Makasaon Luis Laurel, Panthers, nakaklaim ng medal. Makasaon. Okay, thank you. Kiyurugi, Boys Grade School Advance. Rizal Giannino, Silver. Fernandez Paul Ray, 45ers, Gold. Fernandez Fernandez? Mana? Okay, thank you.
For the PI here
Loses, Shannon Joseph Jaguars, gold. Senior
Sergeant
medal.
Kaga.
Any representative from Jaguars to claim the medal up by Loses, Shannon.
Kyurogi, female cadet novice. Blue Armor, Aniban Adin C. Titans versus Cabreros Mary Kay Seahorse, Red Armor. Please proceed to the score two right now. Last and final call. Masong Fei Jane Anbu, Blue Armor versus Kadundon Jane Naimi.
Calling Lila Acton, Red Armor versus Chantel Carbonilla of Blue Armor.
Here we male cadet novice.
4-4.
Here we male cadet novice. Mendoza Lloyd Francis Jaguars, gold. Kaloof John Kerwin, gold. Gonzaga Janelle, bronze. Sordilia John Cal Anbo, bronze.
Quarterfinals, Security Male Junior Intermediate. Red Armor, Andrew Kataytay of Sicilians versus Blue Armor, Cartel Christopher of Jaguars. Proceed to court number 1.
Kyurogi, female cadet novice. Blue Armor, Aniban Adin C. Titans versus Cabreros Mary Kay Seahorse, Red Armor. Please proceed to the court two right now.
Please prepare girls toddler novice. Philip. Girls? Sige, narosa naman. For finals, junior advance, Red Armor, Luna Gismar of Southern 45ers versus Blue Armor, Oliver Juval Baranda of Trojans. Proceed to court 1. Finals, junior advance, Red Armor, Gismar Luna of Southern 45ers versus Oliver Juval Baranda of Trojans. That's for finals, court number 1. Proceed to inspection area.
Tihiro Marisol Panthers, gold. Any representative from Panthers? Wala. Wala yung taga-Panthers? Aman si Tihiro. Nagtagalan yung leader, wala. Mana? Okay, thank you.
Kadundon Jane Ivy, KG Tikiti. Red Armor, please proceed to the court to right now.
Hiraldizo Isha. Singlanet. Barili nag-claim na ni.
Attention, nan is si Philip Omong Oxychan Garzuera.
Kirby Girls Grade School Advance. Noah Zia Zerofin. Go. Noah Zia Serafin, gold. Kiyurugi, grade school advance.
Kadundon Jane Ivy, last and final call. Hindi ka mo
Kiyurugi, boys grade school Sumerian. Policious Zionji, Jaguars, gold.
For finals, Caribbean female cadet intermediate, Fernandez Chloe T of 45ers, Red Armor versus Aspacio Tatiana Lacey of Auxilians, Blue Armor. Please proceed here at court right now.
Xavier Zian Kaka, gold.
Please don't
CG
interrupt.
Consumption, gold. Please proceed. Please proceed to the podium. CG de la Concepcion, claim your medal.
Again, for finals, Kirogi female cadet intermediate, Fernandez Chloe T of 45ers, Red Armor versus Aspacio Tatiana Lacey of Civilians, Blue Armor. Please proceed here at court 3. Kirogi, male John Junior Samarian, Blue Armor, Saraof James Charles, Titans versus Sanchez Wiljan, Civilians, Red Armor. Please proceed to the court 2 right now.
Kiyurugi, El Cadet Novice, Padua, Jose Carlo Arte, gold. Please claim your medal. Or any representative from Arte. Barberos Justin O. Jaguars, gold. Any representative from Jaguars to claim the medal of Barberos. Apte, wala? Wala.
Mark Benedict Quezon of Trojans and Jamil Babitan of Z-Force. Standby mo for the continuation of round 2. Red Armor is Mark Benedict and blue is Jamil.
Last and final call. Cabreros Merengue, Red Armor, C-Force.
Go. Kirby, male cadet novice. Waminal Jondel Angelo, Barili, gold. Divinagrasa Pico Jones, silver, Zepsilians. Agravante Xavier, from Manamik. Bronze, Villahermosa Ronron, bronze. Please claim your medal.
Sirao James Charles from Titans, Blue Armor. Red Armor, Sanchez Will John C. from Subsilias. Please come to the inspection area right now of Court 2. Again, Blue Armor, Sirao James Charles from Titans versus Sanchez Will John C. from Subsilias. Please come to the inspection area of Court 2 right now.
I-claim ang medal ni Villahermosa Ronron Barili o ni Agravante Senior Sicilian.
Calling for Blue Armor, Agdon Dega M. from Sicilian versus Red Armor, Nervosa John Rose from Sicilian. Please come to the inspection area right now. Again, Blue Armor, Dega M. from Sicilian versus Red Armor, Nervosa John Rose M. from Sicilian. Please come to the inspection area right now. Calling for Blue Armor, Carbonella Chantel C. from Sicilias versus Adinipo Queen, Janet from Africa. Again, Blue Armor, Carbonella Chantel C. from Sicilias versus Adinipo Queen, Janet from Africa. Please come to the inspection area of Court 2 right now. Yorubi Male Cadet Advance 1. Academia Oli Andre R. of Hope Savire Taekwondo Red Armor versus Mission Astro Maximus G of 45ers Blue Armor. Please proceed here at Court 3.
Kirby, male cadet Samarian, Ultron Christian James, Consolacion Gold, PBS Adrian Zepsilian, gold. Claim your medal.
Calling John Ross Tomasa Red Armor versus Ivan Chris E. Dinicano Blue Armor. Exhibition game. Please proceed to Court 4.
Again, Yorubi Male Cadet Advanced 1. Academia Oli Andre R. of Hope Savire Taekwondo Red Armor versus Mission Astro Maximus G of Consolacion Taekwondo Dragons Blue Armor.
Chantel Carbonilla, gold. Claim your medal.
Colin Rivera Andrew Henry B. of HIP versus Maya Chidadia D. 45ers.
Delia
Proceed to court 4.
Delia Abdul Kisame. Claim your medal. Chantel Carbonilla.
For finals, Hirogi Male Cadet Intermediate, Poligin Niel Ivan F. of Zipzilians Red Armor versus Cabalan Sebastian Luis of Z-Force Blue Armor. Please proceed here at court 3. Again, for finals, Hirogi Male Cadet Intermediate, Poligin Niel Ivan F. of Zipzilians Red Armor versus Cabalan Sebastian Luis of Z-Force Blue Armor. Please proceed here at court 3.
Mana daw ni? Daon na daw siya ni. Asa ang gate para ito
Kyurugi female cadet. Navales Micalia.
Colin Rivera Andrew Henry B. of HIP.
Navales Micaela. Barili gold. Rivaldi Alexis Therese Zipzilians silver. Perez Aisha Rosby Anbu
Naglatag na ka dito.
bronze. Kakrama Alisa May Anbu bronze.
Sunod. Saan? Kaya babaw? Babaw. Clear mo na ito. Kasi kira. Ada kira. Karang na sang nabi. Kira daw. Ay, gatan di. Ano siya? Dami exhibition. Muna ako aning insured. Wala pa. Sir. Tawag pa.
Biology, female junior Samparan, Blue Armor, Agdon Deca from Zipzilians versus Narvasa Jan Ross from Zipzilians. Please proceed to the court 2 right now.
Kyurugi male junior intermediate. Kakang Deyu gold. Zipzilian. Sorella Alexis Ivan silver. Jaguars. Abiliar Cedric Trojan bronze. Claim your medal. Any representative to claim the medal of Kakang Day.